I think I did.
It's going, it's going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah! I'm ready. Ow, ow, my hand. One hit. Riley. Ow! Dude, he hit me right here!
I shot you in the chest.
There's no. Alright, fine. Oh, dude, that must have been epic! Dude, it went right here!
Imagine putting on the GoPro and like looking at it in slow motion.
Dude, it hit me right here! Dude, how many times did I get you?
I think you hit me in the heel once. And
you can't really feel them. Like,
I know.
I got someone.
So did I hit you, boy?
There's no way.
you hit me once. It was in the hand.
Riley. Okay, he was standing right there. I go, boom, shot him in the back.
I didn't know you were still in. That's why I wasn't like.
We should like.
There's two shots.
Yeah, I know, but I thought you got hit twice.
No.
One by Riley and then one by me.
No, you never hit me.
Yeah, I did. That was the one bullet that did hit you.
Then he didn't hit me.
I need to go back up to the house.
So do I.
There's cars up there. It's loaded, dude.
Dude, I got hit right here.
I shot him right between the eyes.
Here, Riley.
Dude,
can you
Step back on the
turn this off?
Oh, yeah.